Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something that's impacting all of us, climate change. It's a pressing issue that affects every corner of our planet, from the icy poles to the arid deserts. It's a topic that's been in the news for years, but sometimes it feels so overwhelming that it's hard to know where to start. The sheer scale of the problem can make us feel powerless. So let's break it down into more manageable pieces. First, let's talk about the heat waves. These aren't just a minor inconvenience, they are a significant threat to our health and well-being. Have you noticed summer's getting hotter? Well, you're not alone. This isn't just your imagination, it's a global trend. All over the globe, temperatures are rising, leading to scorching heat waves that are more frequent and intense than ever before. This is a direct consequence of our changing climate. These extreme temperatures aren't just uncomfortable, they're dangerous. They pose serious health risks, especially for the elderly and those with pre-existing conditions. They can lead to heat strokes, wildfires, and even death. The impact on our emergency services and healthcare systems is immense. And what about the rain? It's either too much or too little, creating a cycle of extremes that disrupts our lives. Irregular rainfall patterns are causing floods in some places and droughts in others. This unpredictability makes it difficult to plan and prepare. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. It affects our food supply, our water resources, and our way of life. Farmers can't predict when to plant their crops, and whole communities are left struggling to find clean water. Then there's biodiversity. The loss of species is happening at an alarming rate. Every day we're losing countless species of plants and animals. This loss of biodiversity is a silent crisis that often goes unnoticed. Imagine a world without elephants, tigers, or bees. These creatures are not just beautiful, they are vital to the health of our ecosystems. It's not just about losing beautiful creatures, it's about the balance of our ecosystems. Each species plays a role, and when one disappears, it can cause a ripple effect that impacts us all. The interconnectedness of life means that the loss of one species can affect many others. Habitat loss is another massive issue. Forests, wetlands, and other natural areas are being destroyed at an alarming rate. This isn't just bad news for the wildlife that call these places home. It's bad news for us too. These habitats act as the planet's lungs, absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. When they're gone, so is that vital function. The loss of these natural areas accelerates climate change and reduces our ability to combat it. But it's not all doom and gloom. We have the power to change this. There are actions we can take to make a difference. So what can we do? Here are a few steps we can take to mitigate the impact of climate change. 1. By cutting down on waste, we reduce the amount of trash that ends up in landfills and oceans. This simple action can have a significant impact on our environment. 1. Embrace renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydroelectric power. They produce less pollution and help us move away from fossil fuels. Investing in renewable energy is crucial for a sustainable future. 1. Protect and restore natural habitats. This means saying no to deforestation and yes to reforestation. By preserving and expanding our forests, we can help absorb more carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. 1. Adopt a more plant-based diet. By eating more plant-based meals, you can reduce your carbon footprint. The production of plant-based foods generally requires fewer resources and produces less greenhouse gas emissions. 1. Get involved in your community and vote for leaders who prioritize the environment. Your vote can drive change. Small actions add up. Every step we take towards a more sustainable lifestyle helps to mitigate the impact of climate change. Simple changes in our daily habits can collectively make a big difference. So let's not wait for someone else to fix it. The power to change is in our hands. We can all contribute to a healthier planet. Let's take responsibility and act now for ourselves, for future generations, and for the planet we call home. Together, we can create a sustainable future. Thanks for watching. And remember, every little bit helps. Stay informed, stay active, and stay hopeful. Together we can definitely make a difference. Until next time.